welcome to the Center for Conscious Living. I wanted to talk today about anxiety, which is one of the more common problems that people come into therapy with. And one of the things that's difficult for them is that they often believe that anxiety is some kind of a disease or permanent genetic condition, and they're afraid that there isn't really a cure, that there isn't a way to get rid of it. And that turns out not to be true. Anxiety is really a problem with thinking. Anxiety has its genetic or evolutionary roots in fear. It feels very similar to fear in terms of how the body feels, the heart racing, the difficulty breathing, you know, the whole problem with thinking something bad is going to happen. And if there were genuinely something to be afraid of, like a bear was about to eat you or a lion was chewing on your leg, all of that reaction would kick your body into action to help you run away from that bear. On the other hand, when it's a worry or a concern or that feeling of anxiety that's kind of nebulous and you don't know what it's about, there isn't an action that's going to save you, and the physiological feelings of the anxiety just continue to build, and you feel worse and worse and worse as adrenaline and cortisol are pumped into your system. And it turns out that the most effective way to change that is to look for the thoughts that you're having, whether you're aware of them or they're just subliminal or unconscious, and change them. So if you tell yourself at a conscious level there's actually nothing to be afraid of, you'll immediately begin to feel better if you believe that. You can change your thoughts by self-talk, by telling yourself that you are safe and that there is no emergency. Anxiety is a false perception that there's something to be afraid of, and when you learn that there's nothing to be afraid of, you can help yourself to feel better. We'd love to see you at the Center for Conscious Living, or even talk to you and help you learn how to use these techniques.